Get ready to be blown away by the amazing Japan. There are so many fascinating things about this country that you might not know. Let me take you on a journey of discovery that will make you see Japan in a whole new light. 1. Kit Kats have become extremely popular in Japan, with over 300 unique flavors available. Some of the more unusual flavors include wasabi, sake, green tea, and even baked potato. 2. Japan has more than 6,800 islands, but only about 430 of them are inhabited. The 4 main islands are Honshu, Hokkaido, Kyushu, and Shikoku. 3. Sumo wrestling is the national sport of Japan and has a history dating back over 1,000 years. It is not just a sport, but also considered a sacred ritual with deep cultural significance. 4. Japan has one of the highest life expectancies in the world. This is often attributed to the traditional Japanese diet, which consists of fresh seafood, rice, vegetables, and minimally processed foods. 5. There are more vending machines per capita in Japan than anywhere else in the world. You can find these machines selling a wide variety of items, including hot and cold drinks, snacks, umbrellas, clothes, and even fresh eggs. 6. In Japan, it is considered impolite to blow your nose in public. Instead, people tend to sniff discreetly or use handkerchiefs. 7. Despite being a highly technologically advanced nation, fax machines are still widely used in Japan, especially in business settings. Many businesses prefer fax communication over email for legal and security reasons. 8. It is a common practice in Japan to remove one's shoes before entering homes, traditional guest houses, ryokans, and even some restaurants. This is done to maintain cleanliness and respect for the space. 9. Japan experiences the hanami season every spring, when cherry blossoms, sakura, bloom across the country. Many people gather in parks for hanami parties, enjoying picnics under the beautiful pink cherry blossom trees. 10. Japan has more Michelin-starred restaurants than any other country in the world. Tokyo alone has more Michelin-starred restaurants than Paris. These are just a few intriguing facts about Japan that many people might not be aware of. It truly is a remarkable country with a rich culture and traditions. Subscribe for more content, and don't forget to share, comment, and like the video.